Cool. It's here. Sweet.
And grab the hoe to backfill the trench. Push the dirt and mud back in. Be sure to use your hands.
Here's shot number 3 with stock strings. .0. Okay. All right, just one more speed check here because the lighting has changed outside over the chronograph. So this is the stock strings, Hoyt stock strings. Yeah. So now it says 269. Let's do one more shot. And one more shot under the bright light of the sun. .268.6. Okay. All right. Let's check the draw weight on this thing. I saw a peak of 70. All right, it's starting to drop off. Let's take another look. All right, let's just zero that out. Take it off. Zero that out. I'm gonna call it 70. It peaks right up there at 70. All right. All right. Those are stock strings. Yeah, right about. Right about there. Yeah, it's bang on 27 inches from the throat of the grip to the string. Edge of the string here is 27 inches. Yep, 27. Okay, 27 inches. an 1 3/4 would be 28 3/4 inch draw length. We'll just set it for 27, like this measure. So, draw length is 27 inches plus 1 3/4 equals 28 3/4. Okay. All right, so this cable here on the top cam goes to the little wheel, and then it goes back to the teardrop here. And then this cable on the bottom cam goes to the big wheel. And then it goes to the teardrop stud over there. Okay. Yeah, bud. All right. Well, there's our SystmX strings on. Got the timing pretty much spot on. And let's just check our brace height here. Yeah. It's really, really close to where it was. It might be a 32nd of an inch different, but it's really close. All right, let's go check poundage. All right, just to show you guys that it was tuned when I do these speed check with the SystmX strings. There's the hole through paper. SystmX. All right, guys, so we have them all installed, and I have poured myself over trying to get the bow precisely back to where it was with the factory strings. The brace height's spot on. You can even see my cam timing marks from the original strings. Really, really, really close. Brace height is precisely the same. Draw length is precisely 28 3/4 where it was. So, and it's tuned. Just shot a bullet hole with it. So let's just double check the draw weight, and we'll go outside with the chronograph. Let that warm up a second. Tear it out. I'm looking for 70. Here we go. Oh, there it is. There's 70. Okay, we're gonna call that 70 on the nose. So let's go outside and shoot it. Okay, folks. Well, here we are again in the backyard with the old crony. Now, I just want you to understand that we are on concrete here, and I have not made any adjustments or anything to the tripod. So we, the angle of the chronograph or height of the chronograph. So we should be passing through the same space in the window above the sensors on the chronograph. So yeah, here we go with the Alpha X33 with the new SystmX strings. $269.7. Let me go get that arrow. One thing I have to say about these strings and cables is I really think, the bow didn't vibrate much to begin with. I think it's just even a little softer now with these new strings and cables. Shot number 2. Is that a repeat? 269.7? Now we'll do a third one. This is the same Easton 5.0 Arrow, 502 grains. Here's a third shot. Ready? $270. Okay. All right. Let's take this off and you can walk with me, talk with me. I accidentally turned the camera off when I was trying to pull you off the bow. 270, 269, high 269s. I got that last reading at 270. What were we before? 268 and a half, low 268s. Okay. So that's 1.5 foot per second. Maybe 2 if I'm generous. I'll be generous. Let's just call it 2. Okay. Well, I do think the bow is softer shooting. I think that the new material takes whatever shock was in the bow, which there wasn't much, but I think it is softer shooting. Let's say 2 feet per second faster. I'll take 2 feet per second, because the fact of the matter is I needed new strings and cables anyways. So I think that's the best case for these. You know, I don't know if I'd go out of my way and tear off perfectly good strings and cables just to upgrade to these. You know, when you need strings and cables, consider do the SystmX. You might pick up some speed. Like I'm saying, I think I'm about 2 feet per second, maybe just a scooch under. But I'll take it. I needed them. I needed to spend the money anyways. It was like $223 shipped to the house. And yeah, what more can I say? So I will keep you posted as to how they go. But yeah. So thanks for tuning back in to Limbender Lounge, folks. And I hope that with 3D season approaching, you guys are doing similar things that I am, trying to get ready to go. And we'll see you out there on the course. Take care.